What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 4th of January, 2025. We're taking a look here. Aerodrome finance slash the United States dollar. This will be daily chart, and the data is derived from Coinbase. So we're taking a look here. We have markets down slightly here on this Saturday, down 1.66%. We had a very, very nice 3-day rally here off of market support down there at $1.3047. Very nice to see that blast off to the upside. We got close to my first target I'm looking for. Or did we get there? Let's see. Yeah, we did get there. 159.6. I thought we were at 163. So we hit the first target, which was 159.6. Target number 2 is 1714. For some reason, I was looking at this. Funny. First target, guys, hit. What a beautiful thing to see. And we're getting a slight pullback here. We have a lower high here this morning. This is very normal to see when markets pull up to a overhead price target, trade above it, close below it. Very, very normal. And this could be short term. This could just be a day or two, and then we break out above it and head up to target number 2, which is 1714. Wow, what a move, guys, in 3 days. We're going to talk about some 2025 Aerodrome finance price targets, assuming markets do continue to trend higher here for a couple more months. Let's take a look at that. So we take a step back here on the chart. We have a upper target, which I think is very, very reasonable. Okay. Now, these markets do need to continue to trend higher. Otherwise this thing is very far-fetched. $5.95 is what I am looking for. If Aerodrome breaks into new highs, Bitcoin breaks into new highs, the trend continues on for another month or two. I don't think this is out of the question. $5.95. Now we have a little bit of work to do. Understand that. We are very close to making a new high. We did take out the highs from over here, the 27th, 8th, and 9th of December. But again, we have some work to do. Take out the all-time highs. It's right around that 234 area. But again, $5.95 is what I'll be looking for here. This is a very reasonable price target for Aerodrome. We also can do a couple other things here on the charts. We could throw the fib levels up. So let's, everybody has access to this. Throw the fib levels up. We'll take the highs from back in the 12th, and then we'll take our lows over here from the time frame would be the 5th of July. It looks like our lows swing high to swing low, roughly, guys. And this is going to give us some overhead price targets. So the Fibonacci levels gives us a level of the 1618 fib level. Right up there around just under $7, so $6.96. Again, this is a very reasonable thing to look for, if markets are breaking out and taking out the all-time highs. Very reasonable up here to look for a, basically a $7 Aerodrome, the 1618 fib level. Very reasonable once the all-time highs are taken out. Again, we got a lot of work to do. We're trading at $1.55 right now. Bitcoin needs to make new all-time highs, but we're talking about 2025 price targets. So you can see I am pretty conservative, $5.95 for my target, with the first fib level based off the swing high and swing low being up there around $7. We take a zoom out even a little further. We have another target way up there. It's at $40. So that's your next fib level. 2618, $40 for Aerodrome. I think we're talking a little bit extreme when we get up to that level. Maybe given a couple bull cycles or maybe 2 bull cycles. But hey, the fib numbers don't lie, but that doesn't mean it's going to be reached. Because you can go crazy up here. You can go up to the multi-$100 figures. The fib numbers just keep on going is the point. But I think very reasonable, $6 to $7, $40 might be a stretch, but that's what the numbers say. So let me know. What do you think? You think it's $6 to $7 for Aerodrome is very low, or do you think this thing is heading to $40? And again, maybe it could in another cycle or two for the cryptocurrency markets. Right now, Aerodrome is trading at $8.55. Let's take a zoom in here. We'll get rid of the Fibonacci levels, and we'll talk about a couple things here. So, very nice to see you guys. This thing just played a perfect trade here for the active trader, bouncing off a support level at $1.3047, trading right up to a new level at 159.6 in 3 days. I mean, it doesn't get more perfect than that. So let's call that about a 23% move in 3 days. Aerodrome Finance did take out the highs over here from the 27th, 8th, 9th of December. We have to work on these highs over here from the 25th and the 24th of December. Next, my next target, $1.71 for Aerodrome Finance. Let's go over to Bitcoin, BTC USD. It's down $254. We don't have a higher low or a higher high yet. We got to take out the highs over here from the 26th. We are finally back above 96,626.83. That's bullish. We got to take out the highs from the 26th. We got to get up to 106.49.56. We have nice support down here at around the 92.2 area, which is good because otherwise we were heading down to 88. And yeah, we got our eyes on some higher Bitcoin targets. 116 for starters, but we got to make a new market higher high first, higher low, and then another higher high. Guys, all links down below. Premium Discord signals linked down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Of course, not financial advice. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. What do you think? $6 to $7 Aerodrome, or is Aerodrome going to $40? You guys have a great Saturday.